What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you go ahead, click that subscribe button and support your girl. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at Kayla x Marin. In today's video, I am showing you guys how to get this curly hair look that I've been doing. I've been doing the technique, and if you want to see how to get the results, then keep on watching. Alright, so we are starting with wet hair. I'm actually gonna go ahead and wet my hair some more because I love my hair to be damp. I just feel like the products really seep into my hair when my hair is really wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair. If you see me looking to the side, that's because I have a mirror there just to make sure I'm doing everything how I normally do it. And I'm not gonna lie, I do this when I have a lot of time, like when I know I'm going somewhere and I want to make sure my hair looks good. Otherwise, if I'm rushing, I'm either gonna do a bun or I'm just gonna slather all these products on and just be on my way. So I just wet my hair. My hair is also detangled, so I like to separate it first like this into two parts, and then I'll go ahead and separate it into four. So I'll work on one side first. I'll put this up either in a clip or I tie it with a scrunchie. And let me just say that the products that I'm using today, I feel like I switch my products really often, so I'll use these products, but I'll go out and I'll try new products, and honestly it gives the same result. So you can use any of your products that you really like and just do it. I think it's more about the technique. And I do my hair, I'm not gonna lie, I do my hair a few different ways. This is one, and this one just is currently my favorite. I love how it comes out. So if you've seen one of my vlogs previously, then you'll know that my hair was looking so curly and so voluptuous and just defined. Now I look crazy, but it's okay. So we're gonna go ahead, wet my hair, and then I start off with a leave-in, and this is one of my favorite leave-ins though. Like, I have two empty bottles right here just to show you guys that I really do love this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in, and I'm pretty generous with my products. Now this is a little bit to me. I'll probably go in one more time with the same amount, so I'll just go and run it through my hair. I make sure to get the top of my hair too, because that's where my hair is most dry, and then sometimes it comes out frizzy and I hate that. So if you guys have any recommendations for me to make sure my hair isn't frizzy, make sure you leave it down below. Also, I didn't show the shampoo and conditioner because I'm not crazy about the shampoo that I'm using right now. So if you have any recommendations, make sure you go ahead and leave it down below. Alright, so I went in and I put the leave-in. The next thing I am going to do is I'll use a curl cream, and I use a few. So right now I am using the Mayel Curl Smoothie. That is what I'm using. I actually really love the Mayel line. My pump is broken, so I have to put it on my hand like this. Very ghetto. And then I'll go ahead and run that through my curls as well. Alright, now that I feel that that's in, I'll go in and then I'll either use another curling product. So I'll use the Mayel, what is this, Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. I'll put a little bit of this in my hair, and as you can see, it's almost empty, but I don't need that much. I'll use about this much, and then I'll put it throughout my hair. Then the last thing I'll go in with is a gel. So I use the Mayel brand, and I use the Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. There is another gel that I really like. Oh, this one right here. I have Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. These are actually products that I really enjoy, but I would still buy new products and try them out because I feel like every curly hair girl does that. So I'll go ahead, take some of that, You can't really see it because it's translucent. And then put that in my hair. I'll scrunch it up just a little bit. But this is the game changer, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take this brush. Now I have this brush on my Amazon storefront. So if you guys are looking for any of the products that I'm using, even the water bottle, everything will be linked down below or in my Amazon storefront. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. And I'm going to take a small piece. And as you can see, like the back of my hair is really straight. I hate it so bad. I've been trying not to straighten my hair and just keep it curly. I'm going to take the end or the tail of this and just wrap my hair around it. And then go ahead and keep twisting until I get to the roots. I make sure it's really, really, really tight. Then I go ahead and just let it loose. It'll look like that, and then I'll just flick it to the back, and then I just keep on with the process. I hope it's not too confusing. I hope I'm explaining it really well, but then again, I'm gonna show you. Take the tail, wrap my hair around it, and I find that this brush works perfect. I used other brushes before and I don't know, it just didn't get the same effect. But again, just twisting till I get to the root. I make sure it's really, really tight, and then let it loose like that. And I keep doing that. This is very time consuming, which is why I mentioned that I only do it when I have time to do my hair, or I know I'm going somewhere and I want to look nice. Other than that, I do a whole different style to curling my hair. So I go ahead, twist it, let it go, throw it to the back. So I'll go ahead and repeat this throughout my entire head in sections. I'll put in the leave-in conditioner. I'll go ahead and put in the curling smoothie, the products, the gel, and then I'll go ahead and twist section by section. Okay, now that one section is done, this is how it looks. I'll go in again and get a little bit of the curling coil, the Mayel, what is it? The Mayel Coil Sculpting Custard. I'll take a little bit of that, and then I'll just do this. Scrunch it, then flick it to the back, and then we're on to the next section. All right, we are on our last piece. Twist it, I'm gonna flip it and just unravel, and look how pretty. So we are done with our entire head. So I'm just gonna bring the curls to the front. I'm gonna add a little gel on this side because I didn't. Now, the next thing I am going to do is diffuse my hair. So I'm going to grab my diffuser. So now I have my diffuser and I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse my hair. I part mine in the middle because that's just how I like my hair. But when you diffuse, you can diffuse upside down, to the side. I'm going to show you guys how I diffuse. So I'm just going to go ahead, turn this on. And at first I put it on cool. Alright, this is how my hair looks after I went and diffused it. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to diffuse my entire head. Now, that's quick because the curly hair girls know that it literally takes probably 24 hours or more when your hair air dries. So that's quick in my book. But after I diffuse, I just go ahead and put some vitamin E oil into my hair. I don't put too much, just enough, and then I just kind of work it through my hair. It gives it some shine, and my hair is already a little frizzy, you could probably tell, but I still like the way it looks even when it's frizzy with this look. So we go ahead, put some vitamin E oil, and then after that, I'm still not done. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my curls. That is what gives me the big fluffy look. I just go ahead and separate, and my hair feels so soft. It's not crunchy at all. My favorite part is always the front of my face because it just frames it so much. The curls look so good. Like, look at this. Sometimes I be wanting to leave it like this, but then I separate it and it still looks so good. In my opinion, of course. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you try this technique. Let me know in the comments if you already do this technique. But I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.